I am Megha. The question is, how many triangles are there in the given figure? Now the solution. If we label these as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Now the triangles are ACD, AFJ, AHG, BCF, BDJ, BIE, HFI, HCE, JIG, EDG. So there are 10 triangles. So we get our answer as option number 1. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Megha. The question is, how many triangles and squares are there in the given figure? Now the solution. Here triangles of this type are 16. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 here also, and here also. So 16 of this type and 16 of this type, because 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 here also, and here also. So 16 of this type also. Then 4 of this type, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 of this type, and 4 of these type, that is these internal ones, this. So these 4 also. Then 4 of these bigger one type, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in all we do have 44 triangles, and squares are 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5th one, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this bigger one is 10th one. So we get our answer as option number 2, that is 44 triangles and 10 squares. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Megha. The question is, how many parallelograms are there in the figure given below? Now the solution. If we number these as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I and J, K and L. Now the parallelograms are A, E, K, I, E, F, L, K, B, J, L, F, A, F, L, I, E, B, J, K and A, B, J, I. Next are I, K, G, D, K, L, H, G, L, J, C, H, I, L, H, D, K, J, C, G and I, J, C, D. Next are A, E, G, D, E, F, H, G, A, F, H, D, F, B, C, H, E, B, C, G and A, B, C, D. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18 parallelograms, which is option number 4. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.